At first glance, this car looks perfect, a clean Mercedes ML 350, imported from Italy. Just 210,000 kilometers on the clock, spotless inside and out. Sounds like a dream, right? But today, we're going to look past the shine and find out what's really hiding under the surface. Using Car Vertical, promo code SLAVA will give you a 20% discount, or you can use the link in the description. Let's enter the VIN number into Car Vertical and run a full history report. The system checks official databases, including maintenance records, insurance data, auction listings, and even police reports. In just a few seconds, our report is ready. The first thing we see, country of origin, Italy. But here's where it gets interesting. According to Car Vertical, back in 2020, this ML had 254,000 kilometers on the odometer. Today, it shows just 212,000. That's a rollback of over 90,000 kilometers. So while the car looks fresh, in reality, it's seen a lot more road and wear than the dashboard suggests. But that's not all. Car Vertical also reports an accident with estimated repair costs between $3,000 and $5,000. The damage was to the front section, likely the bumper, headlight, and fender area. It wasn't catastrophic, but definitely more than just a scratch. And of course, the seller had no idea about any previous damage. So, what looked like a perfect Italian import with a hidden accident history? And this story isn't unique, it happens all the time. That's why checking any used car through Car Vertical is a must. And promo code SLAVA will give you a 20% discount, or you can use the link in the description. It takes a couple of minutes, costs almost nothing, and can save you thousands. Check before you buy, and make sure your next Mercedes is truly as good as it looks.